thing in the living room when it does that in your room, and I will say, good God, that phone.
So
I love the random one at the end of it.
So if I farted, will you just
We'd smell it.
not just
This camera's been this conversation. Bugs are grinning like a possum.
It's like let me sleep.
I don't think you can figure out what it is.
I think he's actually really asleep.
That's what I'm about to do, is go in there and lay down. Y'all can just tell me if there's a tornado.
Becky's looking up like, You tired, baby?
Yeah.
Not you. You ain't no baby. Rain, if you don't get off that farting phone. Rain.
What's he's laughing.
Let your poor baby shake.
Oh.
Jerry, did you fart?
No, he's laughing.
It was a little snicker you let out.
It's after 11, folks.
Okay.
What happened to that 11 o'clock for us? Rain?
They said the storm would be over.
Off channel 7, I mean 5.
Channel 7.
Yeah, 5.
Channel 7 ain't gonna do us a bit of good.
I don't eat.
You want to do a picture? You sing a song off the line. You took one nap.
Are storms fun, Buggy? No, they're not. They're pain in the butt. They're alright until electricity goes out. Well, all of a sudden, the fudge out of rain.
What?
He eats his hand up over here on me.
Scared you?
Well, yeah, 'cause there was a ginormous spider and this weird I got off. I could have sworn the beady-eyed thing looked at me when I was squirting it like, I'll get you. Oh. I'm not joking. Y'all seen the beady-eyed spider? And then there was a huge one on the next window. And then there was one on the porch. And I squirted him off and, you know. Rain, I can see your hand, you doofus, right above me in the shadow. Flipping a bird.
Look, you missed this. Watch.
Then I kicked it down.
You're missing it.
And Bug will put his hand over his mouth.
Every time I start singing Bug, put his hand over my mouth.
I think it's quitting. Quit!
God,
He caused me miss taking a picture. He gonna cause me to drop my camera.
Why me?
Is your fingers touching me?
Is it your reaction?
It's you touching me.
Maldine said, we will you take care of my boys all three. Jimmy too. Of them.
No, she got that right. Jimmy's a little boy.
Want me to try that?
Yeah.
Bag.